How to use a receiver as a source for your whole house audio system. There is a good chance that you already have or intend to add a home theater receiver to your home. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your receiver as a source to your HTD whole house audio system. This will allow you to play the built-in tuner or other connected source throughout your home. It's very easy to do. In this video, we'll be using the HTD Link 6 whole house audio controller for demonstration purposes. However, this will work with any of our whole house audio controllers. For the sake of clarity, we will only show the RCA cable that is relevant to this process. All other RCA and speaker cables have been removed. The easiest way to do this is through the Zone 2 output on your receiver. Using the Zone 2 output will typically allow you to output a source independently of what's being played in the primary zone of your home theater receiver. Most modern receivers will have a Zone 2 output. If yours does not, you may still be able to use an auxiliary output or even a tape out if your receiver has one. These will typically only play what you have selected as your source on your receiver. First, start by connecting an RCA cable from the Zone 2 output on your receiver to any of the inputs on your whole house audio controller. Now when you select that input on your whole house audio system, it will play whatever source you have selected for Zone 2 on your receiver. It's that simple. If you want this functionality, but your receiver and audio controller are not located in the same place, it can still easily be accomplished with the use of balunds. You can see more information on balunds and their use on our website.